This is the Portland 22-inch hedge trimmer from Harbor Freight Tools. $31 after 25% off coupon. Just bought it. Let's see what's in the box, shall we? This is a plug-in. This is not cordless. You gotta plug it in. So, this has a safety switch, power trigger, built-in cord retainer. Nice. Safety guard and 22-inch double-sided trimming blade. So you can go back and forth in sweeping actions. Nice. Let's see what we got here. Well, they certainly taped this up really nicely, so you know you can't open it, because why would you want to open your new toy really fast? Get out there in the yard, start trimming all those hedges. This is going to get pretty light duty around my house because I only have one set of hedges, but yeah, $30. Why the heck not? Why the heck not? Sorry, I hit the... So what this has to do with Portland, I have no idea. Which Portland is it? Is it Maine? Is it Oregon? I don't know. There's some packing material. Here's some cardboard. Slide it out. Lubricate blade after every use. Yeah, like I'm going to do that. Instructions, owner manual, and safety instructions. This is kind of nice. Comes with a little like cover so you don't cut yourself. And you store it. That's pretty cool actually. Kind of like that. So here it is. Out of the box. So let's see what we got here. It's 3.5 amps, 60 hertz, 120 volts. Maximum branch size is 3/4 of an inch. It says right here on the side, 3/4 inch. So that's not real big, but I gotta tell you, it feels pretty sturdy. Feels pretty sturdy. So there's where you plug her in. It's 2-prong, just in case that matters for you. 2-prong, and you know, the blade looks pretty sharp. Looks pretty good. Pretty decent reach. It's got this nice. It's got a guard here, so you can prevent. That's kind of that's plastic. It feels like a rubbery kind of plastic. This must be. So it looks like you push this, and that's your that's your safety. So if you just pick it up like this, you're not going to cut your leg off, because you got to have both of these engaged, and that keeps you from holding it in a downward position unintentionally and accidentally cutting your shoelaces off or something more vital. So that's kind of cool. Here's that cord retainer they were telling you about. So I guess you can like loop the cord up through here, plug it in, loop it around here, and that way the cord doesn't keep getting pulled out every time you're like yanking the 100-foot extension cord that you're going to be dragging around your yard in order to use this thing. The advantage of this is that it was only $30-some as opposed to the cordless one, which was twice as much, and probably not as powerful. I've found that when you're using tools, the ones that plug in are way more powerful than the battery ones for obvious reasons. I mean, the batteries come in ways. So that's what you get out of the box, and that's all that's in the box. The box is empty. So pretty straightforward. A blade guard for storage, an electric hedge trimmer, and a manual which tells you how to lubricate it after every use. So, alright, maybe I will. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So that's your Harbor Freight Tools Portland electric hedge trimmer 22-inch unboxing video. Enjoy.